So here's another plant. And at first glance, everything looks pretty good, and it may well as be. Everything is where it should be. You know, if you look at this picture's just hanging over the rim, doing well. There's a little baby here, no obstruction, leave it alone. I'm gonna go across this one, okay, but you notice, if I sidetrack a little, you have this one developing, you have one right next to it. So, remove this one. And if we take a closer look, there's also a picture growing just underneath. So, because this one is just underneath, I guess I'll just leave it alone for now. Even if the stem is all kind of twisty, it should be okay. It's not going to get in the way. Now, if I do a deep dive into it, is anything weird growing on? There's one weird picture. Ah, see, there you go. If you look real careful, there's this picture here that's growing. So, this is an older picture right here, right? Being in the way. So what I'm gonna do is, rather than sacrificing that one, I think I can move. I wonder if I can move it without snapping it. How is this one growing? This one's going over there. This one's going over there. Okay. Let me think. Yeah, let me try to move it first and see if it snap. Do you see which one I'm talking about? I'm talking about this little guy right here. Now, if it snaps, no biggie. Hopefully not. Nudge it just enough so it's on the side. So now it's not going to cross over. If I nudge it a little bit more to here, you can see right here. It's not growing up right, but it will right itself as it grows. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. There you go. 2 little pictures without having sacrifice. So, don't jump the gun. But if I look into here, okay, now I definitely want to remove this. It's just in the way. Bring my scissors. Be careful. Look twice, cut once. So there you go. Remove it. So that just made room. Let me see if I can see the petal clear enough to trace it back and remove it. Ah, there you go. No need to wait. So now you can see these guys can develop. I don't need to touch them yet. Coming in here, I do see a few pictures. Right here says developing. This one and this one. This one looks actually better at this point, so I'm going to remove this one. And this one should grow pretty well in this open space. This one right here. This petal, can I trace it back? Ah, there we go. Don't need to wait for it to turn yellow. Alright, what else? Okay, so we have a picture that's developing right in there. Not sure if you can see this, but if I shine a light on it, you will. There you go. There's a little picture. Yeah. I'm gonna let it go because you know how you see me moving the picture aside right now? this area will accommodate it nicely. So I will leave it. Moving on, turning the table. Okay. So now we see a compacted picture. You see this little thing right here? This little guy isn't going to do very well. It's already kind of squished. Now, yeah, I have one nice picture here. I have one nice picture here. And then if I let this thing grow, it's going to form a picture right over here. You know what? Maybe that is a good thing. But if I'm looking at this now, it doesn't look good. It's already been squished. So, nah. Decisions. You know what? Let's not waste the plant's energy. There you go. Now again, I am just leaving the patio for now. So once it turns yellow, I'll trace it back to the stem and remove it at that time. So I'm looking under here. Anything yellowing? Nope, everything looks good. Now there is this little spot. Do you see that brown thing in the middle? Yeah, I'll remove that. All right. Okay. I guess that's it for this plant in terms of manicuring. So now to feed. Little bit of nutrient, little bit of nutrient, and nutrient. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Regular water to further dilute it. Again, I'm listening for the sound as the pitchers are filled. Turn. I see these two magnificent beasts that I want to feed. So, little here. Little here. Regular water. Feed. And let me see, do I want to feed anybody else? No, I think that's good. Let's not overdo it. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.